Hello everyone, welcome to another Game On video. Hope you are all doing well today. Today we are back with another Python video. Man, it's been a while since we've done one of these. It's lalaiandme here with you, so let's get started. So today, the thing that we're going to be coding is something pretty cool and very useful. So it's a YouTube link downloader. So the way that this is going to work is that we're going to have a graphical user interface, or GUI, or GUI in short. So we're going to use that. We're going to use Tkinter here for Python. And we're just going to have a prompt that asks you to paste in a link. And once you paste in the YouTube link and you click yes, it will automatically download this file. This will be useful if you don't want to use data when you're on a trip, or you want to use your laptop but you want to watch YouTube as well. You can just use this kind of a thing to download videos on the go, and this is pretty useful. So let's get right into it. So first, what you want to do is you want to make sure that two libraries, so Tkinter and PyTube, make sure those are installed. I'm using PyCharm, as you can see. You can use any other code editor you want here, doesn't really matter, or you can use like normal Python editor, but I strongly don't recommend you do that. Simply being, it's going to take a long time to handwrite everything, and something like PyCharm is much easier to do your stuff with. So we'll get right into it. So we just need to import our modules. So Tkinter, import star, and then we need to import PyTube. So we import from PyTube, import YouTube. So this is just another module, and we just need to get started. So we create a window. So that's basically how you start. So this is our window for our Tkinter, and we need to set the size of the window. You can basically set it to whatever size you want. I just want it because it's like we're not really gonna use this much. Probably just want it like a small pop-out window. So 500 by 300 would probably be ideal, I would say. Actually, if we'll make it 500 by 400, I might think that might be a bit better. And we just need to add this attribute root.resizable, just to make sure that like we can resize the window as well if we want to. So it's not really like set into one thing. Okay, and we obviously need to give our window a title. So we give it a title. I'll probably just call it like a pro tube file, something random like that. Oh, my battery. So, okay, cool. Yeah, so ProTube file sounds pretty good to me. So next, what we want to do is we probably want to start with a label. So this is just going to be like text on the screen that's going to come up. So this is just like formatting. You don't have to like copy me here, but I mean, you can basically format this however you want. But if you don't really know what you're doing, like basically me, because I don't really know what I'm doing here, to be honest, we can just like copy me off here. You probably want to title it YouTube video downloader so people know actually what your thing is. And you need to set a font. We probably want it to be, probably say Arial, and we can go font size 20, and we probably want a bold as well. And then we just pack this dot pack and then self. Just fix up some issues here. Just we want our code to be as clean as possible. Just fixing this up. This is what's very great about PyCharm. I'll tell you where you're making your mistakes. I mean, I'm not promoting PyCharm. We're not sponsored or anything, so don't think I'm doing any of that. basically now what we have to do is we have to make a string var. So link equals it's a string variable. So we just not defined, and we can make another label here. So it's going to be in root, and the text is going to equal to you can just say something like paste YouTube link here. So this is just like the part where you put the YouTube link in. So it's like a field where you can enter the YouTube link. And we'll probably just go like that. And a font should be probably Arial. We want to keep it consistent. Arial, we want it a bit smaller. I'll probably go like a 13, I'd say. And we want a bold again. And then we need to place this. So .pack will just like kind of put it into the thing, like to the top place. But we want to place this like in a specific place. So we just place this. Probably say the best place for this would be X. Probably 160. Let's say X is 160 and Y is 60. Okay, I made the same mistake again because just want to keep our code clean. Sorry about this, guys. I'm just have a bit of PTSD about that stuff. And we can create a entry, like an entry field. So that's basically the place where they actually type in. This is just a label, like to label the entry field. So you know how like when you have to enter your email address, there'll be like a watermark there, kind of thing. This is basically what it is. So we go link underscore enter. And then we go, it's an entry, obviously. In root, the width, I'd probably say the best width would probably be like 65, and the like text variable so the text variable should be link, because that's like the string variable that we had earlier. I know this is a bit confusing, but you'll understand in the future when you keep on doing this. It'll make a lot more sense in the future, so don't worry, viewers. And we need to just place that again. Probably go X, probably go 32, and oh my god, I keep doing the same mistake. This is so annoying. 32, and Y should be 90, let's say. Y equal to 90. Okay, we're going very well. So we haven't done anything too bad yet. So it's pretty easy here. It's pretty straightforward. Now it's when it will start getting complicated. So we basically formatted the window. So if I run the code, so as you can see, okay, wait. We need to. I did a mistake. Dot. So we want to main loop it so it actually like appears. So as you can see, this is what our thing looks like. It looks pretty cool, but it doesn't actually have a function yet. As you can see, this is a bit wonky here. So I probably want to edit the problem is probably like the width. So probably instead of 65, I want to make it 70. And if we rerun that, okay, yeah, that looks much better, as you can see. So yeah, it's going pretty well so far. So we're just going to create a few lines. This is when it's actually going to get a tiny bit complicated, because we need to start defining the variable to download. So we probably want to, okay, we're going to create a function, and the URL is gonna equal YouTube. as you guys might remember, like if we scroll up, we from PyTube imported YouTube. So this is gonna help us, like it's gonna help the code identify the source of the URL. So I'm gonna go YouTube dot, so it has to be a string. Whoops, it has to be a string, and then link dot get. So this is basically, in essence, it's just gonna get the link, and it's gonna ensure that it's a string. Where's there? Oh yeah, we don't need the dot there. That's why that was the error. So, and we can go video dot download. So this is just gonna download the video, I guess. Oh wait, no, sorry, I missed a line of code. So we have to go video, because we haven't defined video yet. So URL dot streams dot first. This is just like identifying the URL, kind of, when you get the thing. And we just go video dot download, as I mistakenly did earlier. And basically, we're going pretty well, so we're almost done. So label equals to, oh whoops, we don't. So this is just back to Tkinter. We're just gonna create like a prompt. So when we actually when we create a download button and it's downloaded, we have to, whoops, shift keys. It'll like show up this, because we haven't actually created the download button, which is the problem. But this is just, we're just getting advanced. Okay, I might say, like, you probably don't understand anything that I'm saying, but I promise I'll explain it all at the end again, because this is complicated stuff. Font equals Arial 15. So we probably want it 15. Font. And we want to just place this. Okay. Yeah, that's sorted. So now we're gonna create the button. So our download function is over. So we're gonna create the button to download, because we obviously need a button. So we're just gonna do the same thing. This video should just be called formatting in Tkinter, because we're basically not doing anything apart from formatting. I'm sorry guys, I tried to make this video interesting, but it did not really work out. So this is just a button underneath the field. So it's saying to download, and then font equals to, we just want to keep it like simple. So I'm just gonna keep creating an Arial. Like, you guys can basically use whatever font. Like, you can just search up like Tkinter font library, and there'll be lots of font names, and it'll just kind of like let you do all this. And we also, maybe this time we can put in a background. That might be pretty cool. So we can go bg equals, we probably want like an interesting color. Like, I want to go pale violet red. So it'll be like palish violetish red. I'll just do pale violet. It sounds good. And we need to pad this in. So pad x equals to 2, and the command, it'll kind of, whoops, pad x equals to 2, and the command is equal to download, because that's the command we want to call when this is actually clicked. And we just need to place this at, I'm gonna go probably x equals 180 and y equals 150. Okay, pretty cool. I think it should work. hopefully. I think that's the whole code. Let me just quickly pause this recording so I can quickly go get a video link. Cool, bye. Okay, I'm back. So I got a link for our video. So let's just try to run the code and see what happens. So we run the code. Okay, we already have a syntax error. Traceback call. Okay, yeah. Probably there's no color named violet. Pale violet. Maybe we'll go just normal violet. I don't know why I put pale violet. Okay. So cool. So here we have this cool button, and I'm just gonna paste a link to our video. If you guys remember from a while back, our Peppa Pig edit, it was pretty sick, pretty lit. Let's download that. So it's just loading. Okay, so it shows downloaded. So we can actually try to see where it's downloaded. That is the question. Yes, it has downloaded, as I thought. Should be downloading to your file, your project file, your project like place area. So that's why I was saying it's probably best if you actually have it in a code editor like PyCharm. So we can actually try to open that. Okay, how shall we do this? I mean, okay, I just figured it out. So you guys actually have to like open it yourself, because like my computer is restricting me to open these type of files. But yeah, you guys can just like download it to a different folder with your thing, and it should definitely work. I'll just pause it and try to show you how it works. Okay guys, I think I found out. So it's cool because what happens is it actually saves to the file. So you actually have to go to File Explorer and you can just open it, and you guys can see our video's there.
I'm Peppa Pig.
So that's pretty cool. I think that's pretty lit, to be honest. It's a very cool project, I guess. So yeah, I mean, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment if we should do more content like this, and see you next video. Like maybe we can create more videos like this that can help you do things. Thank you, bye.